So today, welcome everybody to our webinar, and once again, a very happy New Year. Hoping that we will be continuing with our webinars and helping you with getting your business needs met with some of the settings that we are going to share today. All right. So today I'll be sharing a little bit about how we can configure company-wide admin settings. Okay, and firstly, to introduce myself, my name is Roxas, and I'm the Customer Success Manager here in Prospect, and I'm currently based in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Okay, and the agenda for today will be basically to configure some of our top settings in our system settings. And first and foremost, this will require admin rights, admin configuration rights. And we will be covering a little bit of activity types, custom fields, needs engagement, recycle bin, marketing integrations, phone number types, contact roles, financial year settings, payment integrations, and email document templates. So this will be the top 10 things that we will be covering here today. Okay. And I'm gonna share a little bit of key takeaways that you should get from this very short webinar today. First and foremost, you'll be able to increase efficiency with configurable settings. So most of our settings are customizable, such as the activity types and custom fields, which I will share later. This will help you align the CRM with your specific business objectives. You will be able to configure your system to adapt as your business grows. Secondly, you'll be able to streamline your data management with our restore functionality. You can recover the entire deleted tree or hierarchy. And this recycle bins also shows the all deleted records for efficient data retrieval and user accountability. And lastly, you'll be able to improve campaign management as well. This will help you to create and track campaigns directly from CRM by configuring marketing integrations for a more cohesive tech stack with centralized data. So basically, you'll be able to, you may or may not know already these settings, but again, today, just sharing some settings, system settings that would help you configure up to your business needs. Okay, I'm gonna go on with demo now. Let me just switch to my demo account. Just give me a moment. Oops, sorry. Right here. Okay. So I'll be turning off my video so that you can focus on the demo account. Okay. All right. So if you would like to configure your system settings, all you need to do is basically go down to the settings option here, right here. Click on it and then click on system settings. So most of our settings that we are going to cover today will be based on the system settings right here. And once again, you would require admin rights for this. Okay. So the first thing that we would like to cover is activity types. So how you can configure activity types is basically, once again, go to system settings and select activity types here. This is particularly useful because when the user adds a note to a CRM record, they can select the activity type of where it originated from. Okay. By selecting the right activity type, this can be useful to run reports. So how you can configure is click on this, click to configure. Within here, a window will open, and here all of your current activity types. These are all of your existing activity types. And to add a new one, you just need to click on the plus icon on the top right-hand corner. We will now be able to give our activity type a description. Make sure this is relevant to your CRM users. For example, I'm going to put here fail to contact. And you will want to select whether you want to count this as an active engagement. In this case, it's not an active engagement. So I'm going to leave it as no and hit create. once you click on that button, you'll be able to see a new activity type here, field to contact. And this will allow all of your CRM users to tag it as field to contact. Okay, so there's that. Moving forward, I'm going to show you how you can configure the needs engagement period. And to configure the needs engagement period in system settings, you just need to search here. At the top right-hand corner, there'll be a search bar. Click on it and type needs engagement. Oops, typo. Yeah. And here you'll be able to enter the number of days a customer is marked as needs engagement. If you can see in the dashboard, there is a section where there will be a needs engagement, which shows you the customers that would require some attention. So right here, you'll be able to set how many days before the client is marked as needs engagement. By default, it's 30 days. So you can just set, say, for example, you want it to be like 2 months, 60 days, right? Yeah, so basically this allows you to customize how many days before a customer will be tagged as needs engagement. This is particularly important because these are the clients that you want to reach out to them. Okay. So there's that. Moving forward, we also have the recycle bins setting. So say, for example, if you mistakenly delete a CRM record, there's no need to panic. With our restore functionality, you can recover the entire deleted hierarchy. Okay, I'm gonna go search recycle bin, or actually should be under utilities. So if you click system settings, and if you click utilities right here, you will be able to find recycle bin here. Okay, and this is important, for example, because when you restore a given record, say for example a contact, the CRM will automatically bring back all related records that were deleted on the same day. For example, any documents, codes, opportunities that were deleted will be able to restore it. Okay, so let's open recycle bin. So here you'll be presented with a list of deleted records. Remember, these are ordered with the most recently deleted at the top. So this will be the most recently deleted items at the top. And to help you find a specific record, there's also an option to filter. And how you can do so is simply click the 3 dots button here at the top right-hand corner and select filter. You'll be able to filter it according to a contact or basically allows you to filter records by object types. Can be problem, code, inquiry, so on and so forth, or even by users who deleted them. This makes it easier for you to search and manage deleted items, ensuring that you can basically quickly find what you need, even as the recycle bin fills up. So as you can see here, there's like 9 pages. By using this filter option, you'll be able to filter it by object type or even by the person who has deleted it. Okay. So basically, once you've located the record you wish to restore within the recycle bin, say for example, I would like to restore sales order 1896. I simply need to just click on this button, restore. And once I confirm it, your team can find the record in the CRM as per normal. Okay, so everybody will be able to once again see this sales order. Or for example, if I like to restore this problem, the team, all users will be able to see this problem once again. Okay, so this is the recycle bin function. Next, I would like to share marketing integration, how you can configure, how you can connect with your marketing platform. So once again, go to system setting. It should be under integration here. Okay, so obviously the most commonly used marketing platform is MailChimp and Klaviyo. Okay. So I'm going to use MailChimp as an example. Firstly, you can select which company types you wish to get synchronized here. Okay. So is it just customer, labs, competitors, so on and so forth? Oops, what is there? Okay. Also, once you selected your company types, you will need to move on to contact roles. So you can select some of the contact roles that you wish to get it integrated. And finally, you can also set a maximum number of contacts here to be synchronized to MailChimp. This is to help you avoid going over your subscription limits. So please check your, say for example, MailChimp pricing plan to set this to a volume based on your current MailChimp usage and allowance. Okay, and then the final step will be simply to connect here to your MailChimp account with the CRM by clicking on the connect button. You will be then asked to log into your MailChimp account. Once completed, basically just follow the steps by MailChimp. Once completed, the synchronization will take place. Okay. And this is the same for Klaviyo as well. All right. So once again, it's under system settings, integration, and basically it's very self-explanatory. Okay. So moving on, the next system setting would be payment integration. So for example, let's say Stripe. Basically, Stripe allows businesses to receive payment over the internet, and CRM can integrate with Stripe, enabling you to take card payments order placed via the CRM. So once again, it'll be under integration. It should be down here. Yeah. So simply just click the connect button and log into your Stripe account. You will then be directed once again to Stripe. To complete the connection, please follow the on-screen instruction provided by Stripe. Once again, once you're connected, you'll be able to start taking card payments via CRM using Stripe when processing orders. You can also save card payment methods for, say, frequent buyers. Okay. Moving on. Once again, if you have any questions, just feel free to drop it at the comment section. I will be going through it later on. If I don't have an answer to you, I'll be reaching out to you via email after this webinar. All right, so feel free to drop any questions that you have in the chat function. Okay, so I'm going to move on. Next, I would like to show how we can configure phone types. So under system settings, once again, instead of integration now, move over to people and places. Here you will be able to see phone number types. Just click to configure. So basically here, any pre-existing phone types will be listed. To add a new one, simply click on the plus icon at the top right hand corner. So basically everything that you see here is pretty repetitive. So if you want to add anything, it's at the top right hand corner. So you should be able to get a hang of it with any settings in the future. Okay, so in this case, I'm just gonna add a new one. So for example, I'm gonna type pager, right? If say you work within the medical industry. So once happy with the information entered, simply click create and your new phone type will be available here. Okay, so this is useful if say you would like to edit or you would like to include a number, home fax number, car phone, pager, or whatever to the contact list, contact details list, right? Okay, so this is how you can configure additional phone types. And moving on, next, I would like to touch on contact roles. So every one of your customers, prospects, and suppliers have a job title which only has a real meaning within the organization. The CRM has a role field on the contact that allows you to categorize them based on their relevance to you. For example, let me just go into that first, contact roles. If you are not able to find any system settings here, you can easily again use the search function at the top right-hand corner and just type contact roles. Yeah, it will pop up here. Okay, and this is important because for example, a contact could like have a job title of managing director, CEO, or sales director, and etc. But to you, they are all seen as decision makers. So when sending out marketing communications, you can easily filter contacts to only include decision makers rather than having to guess the many possible job titles of your customers and prospects you may have. Okay, and how you can do that is basically on the to add again the plus icon here, top right hand corner, and here you'll be able to start you'll be able to create a new contact roles. Okay, so for here, for example, I'm just put key decision maker. So there's a new key decision maker contact role right now that you'll be able to tag your contacts on. Okay, you can click edit here, the pencil icon. Save. This is no longer in use and obsolete. You can also select obsolete. Okay, it's as simple as that. So that is contact roles. Moving on, I would like to also share about setting up your financial year. Okay, this is particularly important because every company has their own financial year. Say, for example, in Prospect, ours starts in June. How you can do that is once again, search financial year. It will pop out, and here you will be able to choose from the drop down which calendar month you like your financial year to start on. This will update any reporting fields which use the financial year. Okay, so it can be January, it can be April, or let's say in our case it's July, and it will automatically save. But these changes, please take note, may take up to 24 hours to apply. So if it's not being applied right now, just let it sit there for a day, and it should configure your financial year according to what you've selected. Okay. Next, I would like to share about email document templates. Once again, settings, system settings. Oops. And it should be under email and documents. And here, you can look for document templates and click to configure. And to create a new email template, click on the plus icon at the top right corner again. You'll be then asked to fill in some information about the new email template. So under the name section, this will be the name of the email template that appears in the template dropdown. So make sure this is relevant to all CRM users. For example, this could be email order confirmation. And the type, you have 3 types of document templates available, email, Excel, and Word. For this example, we will select email. Description. If required, you can provide more detailed name of when this document template will be used. I'm just going to leave it as empty right now. And yeah, you can also include your email signature. Okay. And where will you be merging this data from? Please select the CRM record type that you wish to create. For example, quote, contract, opportunity, so on and so forth. So an email order confirmation. So maybe I'll put it as quote. Right. Once happy with the information entered, simply click create. Your new template will now appear in the configure list. So yeah, it's right here. Basically just click on the pencil icon and hit the edit button on the top right hand corner here. And here you will be able to basically edit out your template, email template here, say with different fonts, so on and so forth. Okay. Once you've just put testing 3. Once you save it, all CRM users will be able to select this email template from the drop-down. And this will be particularly helpful and save a lot of time. So your users do not require to basically type out every single email. If say we have already say for example, a chaser email, so they will just need to edit the content, for example, if there's dates or whatever. So these are the only things that we need to update and edit. Okay, so that is the email documents template. And the last one, I would like to share about how you can create custom fields. Custom fields enable you to customize your CRM system to reflect your business processes. So this one will not be under system settings. I will make an example of searching a contact. I'm just going to go to Mary Berry. So this is a dummy customer that we have. And under there, I'll select a contact. So say Paul Hollywood. Okay. To get started, for this example, to get started to edit the contact custom fields, create on the 3 dots at the top right hand corner of the record type. So I would like to edit the contact here. So I will go to Paul Hollywood contact and edit. If say you want to edit another person, go to that person's contact and edit. Go to the top right corner here. Click customize at the bottom here from the drop down list. You'll then be in edit mode. As you can see, this is the edit mode where you'll be presented with the CRM groups, field names, and so on and so forth. To add in a new field, click on the add field report option from the appropriate group. So for example, this one, I would like to edit contact. I'm just going to click on this. So you'll then be presented with 2 options, add fields or add report. Choose add fields option for this instance. And then the main contact fields will then be listed. But to access the custom fields, click on show more. And then you will need to scroll down until you reach custom fields here, right? Click on this and basically add custom fields. All right. So in this example, we will add a new custom text field. All right. And then say for example, I'm gonna put referred by, and I'm gonna hit close. Once I do that, I will be able to see now the new field will then be available to select. So once happy, click OK. And then now, as you can see here, your new text field has now been added to the details section. To save this change, very simply click on the save icon here at the top right hand corner. Your new field, once you do that, your new field will then be ready to be used by all CRM users. And you can basically do the same for any other category, activities, created, categorization, communication, so on and so forth. It's basically the same step where you click on this add field report, add fields, go to custom fields and add your own custom field, whatever that to you. Okay. Once again, this is particularly helpful for you to be able to customize this because it allows the CRM system to better reflect on your business processes because everybody has different business processes, right? Okay, so yeah, coming back here, so these will be the key takeaways that once again I'd like to share this. Oops, so sorry for this. But basically, yeah, I've basically just covered the top 10, I would say one of the top 10 most used system settings configuration that most of our clients have been using. So I've reached towards the end of the webinar here today. Basically, moving forward, we will have more and more of webinars like this. Some will be shorter, some will be longer, but you can look out for them using this link, this website. So right now, I would like to open up for some Q&A if there's any. If not, you can also drop message and I will be able to reach out to you via email.